Welcome to the SIRS database tutorial. This tutorial will give you guidance on searching the SIRS database. The database provides pros and cons of leading issues. To access the database, log into My DTCC and under the Library menu, expand and select SIRS under the database list. There are several ways to access the information on SIRS. One way is to browse leading issues. For this example, I am going to select Crime and Punishment. You can see all the leading issues available under the subject Crime and Punishment, and I'm interested in researching prison reform, so I'm going to select Prison Reform. This brings me to the Prison Reform Leading Issues page. On this page, you will find a summary of the topic, a main question, and research to back up two main questions and 2 points of view. As you scroll down the screen, you will see a list of critical questions on the topic. Below the list of critical questions, the database gives you a timeline which provides historical information. Going back to the viewpoints, when you click the title, you are taken to the full text. On the top of the page, you'll see citation information, the summary of the article, and the full article. In the green box to the right, you have the option of saving, printing, or emailing the article. When you select email, you'll get this box and enter your email address, and it will be sent to the email you typed into the box. If you select Cite in the green box, you will get a suggested citation. Delaware Tech uses APA 7. The database provides a suggested citation, but you need to check and correct the citation given by the database after copying to your reference page. Another way to search for information is by keyword. You can type your keywords into the box and select Search, or you can click on Advanced Search. Advanced Search allows you to limit your search by source type, publication date, Lexile score, and primary resources. For this example, I'm going to search for prison reform. I am putting these two words in quotation marks because I want the database to give me results with these two words next to each other. Next, I'm going to limit my search by publication date within the last 12 months and select Search. The result list comes up and I can click on the titles to find more information about the resource. I hope this tutorial helps you conduct your research effectively. Please contact the library if you have any questions or need further assistance. We are here to help you.